Hey, welcome to Credit Makes Sense with Netiva, the Frugal CrediTnista. We are busting some credit myths this week, and today we are talking about disputing and the impact on your credit scores. For those of you who are new to my page, again, I'm Netiva, the Frugal CrediTnista. I own M&H Financial Services, where we help women and couples create custom credit solutions so they can crush their financial goals. I also run the amazingly bomb Credit on Fire Members Club, where we teach you how to master your money, destroy your debt, soar your credit scores so you can begin leveraging it to create wealth. So we have a ton of instructions and videos and courses and downloads and checklists on how to soar your credit scores. Every 2 weeks, we connect to make sure all of those teachings are making an impact on how you make your credit and managing moves, and budgeting, eliminating your debt, different tactics, side hustles, real estate investing, purchasing your first home, and so much more. If you're on Facebook and you're watching this, that means you should be in my Credit Makes Sense community, my free Facebook group, a ton of freebies in the pinned post for you to begin DIYing your credit repair, your budgeting, and your home hunting. Good stuff. So let's get started. As usual, I always bring up the question verbatim. I actually got asked this a couple of days, so I'll summarize, make sure that I can some of the things that asked. All right. It states that if I want to get a quick jump on my credit score, then all I need to do is dispute it, and FICO will completely ignore it, and then I can go ahead and apply for a home or a car in that time frame. So basically what this means is if they dispute a whole bunch of their negative information, that they can hurry up within that time frame that it takes to an investigation on a credit dispute, typically about 30 days from the date that the bureaus receive it. And that means that FICO will completely ignore your credit data, and then their scores will be higher. It makes them seem like a better credit risk. This is not true in the way that you're trying to use it. I actually got so many emails on this. I guess that means that there's some kind of message going around. That's usually what happens, or video. So what does this mean? When you submit a dispute, there are two pieces of information that's ignored by FICO. That's the exhibit code. So it's typically the type of account, so the derogatory information on the balance. So that part is ignored, but the actual account is ignored. That means that when a lender runs your information, they're going to still see that trade line on there on your credit report, and then they have the option of customizing how your credit report is scored so that it includes that negative information, or they just flag it and say, okay, well, you score is this, but you got this, and this. And it seems like it all happened in X amount of time frame. You're still too much of a risk for us. See, when people are approving you, especially at home will have you take that bad boy out of disputes, and they will then rescore you, and you won't proceed with the underwriting or approval process until that account has been taken out of dispute. There's some conditions on that. I don't know if you're about that. Anything else, full record, charge off, something like that, they're going to want to take out of dispute. So, in summary, yes, it will possibly increase your credit scores a little bit. Will it help you when you're getting a home that you mentioned before in your comment here? No, they're going to have you take it out of dispute. Can it help you when you're applying for a card or a car? Maybe, if there's not some type of manual fact check on your approval process. Vehicles, they usually fact check. Also, the finance department, they're looking. Credit cards, it may pass initially, but remember, if they re-review your credit information even after they've approved you, and they see all that stuff come back, in case it does get verified, then what they're going to do is just rescind that offer. So they're just going to snatch it back. So my advice to you is to get it done and get it removed the right way. If you want to DIY it, like I said, I do have some basic information inside of my community. If you want to upgrade that DIY basic info to advanced intermediate rock with you support you info, it's $19.97 a month, $150. You can find Credit on Fire, and we can help you rock through all of that so that you can get it without the whole unhanded stuff. You can get it, you can say it, you can crush it, and then you can maintain it, which is the number one thing that I think a lot of people in our industry don't teach, how to maintain your credit and how to leverage it so that you can begin making some location moves. That's Credit on Fire. If you need one-on-one assistance, I did leave the link below, soarmyscores.com, soarmyscores.com. Me and my prosperity team would love to work with you one-on-one, so we can get you to where you need to be credit-wise, so that you can get to your goals. All right, so tomorrow, our final day of busting some credit myths, I'm going to do a bingo. I'm actually going to have my team put them all in a little bowl. We're going to mix it up and we're going to see what we come out with. And so if you're reading a little piece of paper tomorrow, that's the one I picked. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. If you did not share this segment, share it now. We're going to grow along together. Get legit financial information level. So make sure we're passing on the good information and not some of the garbage. Tomorrow.